means rain. Asa means morning. Asa means morning. Aka means red. Aka means red. Ao means blue. Ao means blue. Tatakai means warm. Tatakai means warm. Ichi means one. Ichi means one. Isu means chair. Isu means chair. Inu means dog. Inu means dog. Ichigo means strawberry. Ichigo means strawberry. Yeah means house. Yeah means house. Uchi means home. Uchi means home. Usagi means rabbit. Usagi means rabbit. Umi means sea. Umi means sea. Uma means horse. Uma means horse. Uta means song. Uta means song. Ega means movie. Ega means movie. Empitsu means pencil. Empitsu means pencil. Eki station. Eki station. Epi means shrimp. Epi means shrimp. Eda means branch. Eda means branch. Okasa means mother. Okasa means mother. Otosan means father. Otosan means father. Oyatsu means snack. Oyatsu means snack. Okane